So this is how my hair currently looks like. As you can see, there are white patches and all of that. So this is just a cue to let you know that even hair coaches, people that do hair content, they also go through it, to be very honest. Blessing gown set and you know, there's a viral post that you just have that will really sort a lot of things.
Of course. Like that roof. Yeah. Yeah. I can see one up there. That one don't right.
Before they can snap that picture.
You stand tired.
He has picture of it now. So funny how like even till date people see they do 1 year photo shoot, 1 year clinical. Since you're an hair coach, they know that people's this thing is not perfect.
Need to have our own experience, so because some people feel like we like this, but to be honest, sometimes show your struggle. Just like some people now that they feel they have perfect marriage, perfect life. Some people will come and share what they are going through in their business, how one order did not come, how somebody duped them.
Sure.
Take them through your journey. It's not always rosy. Just pray the video goes viral. They look for viral this thing.
Moments.
So that blessing gown set and you know, there's a viral post that you just have that will really sort a lot of things.
Of course.
Yeah, they show stomach.
Am I showing?
Before you were not showing. How they go to see stomach for internet? I go zoom. What do I do?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
So this is how my hair currently looks like. As you can see, there are white patches and all of that. So this is just a cue to let you know that even hair coaches, people that do hair content, they also go through it, to be very honest. There is no perfect hair journey, and no matter how glamorous it sometimes look on the internet, it is not exactly as it seems sometimes. And to be very honest, I did not know that my scalp has gotten to this stage. Reason being that I'm more of the pack your hair and go out. I'm not necessarily the type to do protective style as much as I supposed to, because of some reasons best known to me. But protective styles are very good. I always encourage people to do it, but that's by the way. So the last protective style I did was mini braids. Yeah. And when I did it, my scalp was definitely not like this. And I don't share comb. Before some of you come to the comment section and say, oh, maybe I'm probably sharing comb with those people at the salon and all of that. I don't share comb. I always go with my comb. Everything just purely mine, you get. So I would not say this was gotten from anybody. How it started, I sincerely do not know. But let's say after I took down that protective style, I washed my scalp quite alright. And since then, I did not do any other protective style till much later, I think weeks after. Then I did chunky braids. That one I did it myself. So I was not necessarily seeing my scalp as I'm actually seeing it right now. Like now I can see the lines and I can see what is going on my scalp. But that one, because it was chunky, I even did it at night, a day before Monday resumption and everything. So I did not necessarily see how my scalp looks like. I was not necessarily using the mirror. I was just, freestyling with my cuts and everything. But seeing my scalp now, it has really gotten to this point where I have no choice but to take matters into my own hands and also take you guys through the journey and let you know that you are not alone Even your hair coach, your hair content creators sometimes go through it, and it is just okay for us to also tell you that we don't have a perfect hair growth life or hair journey life or whatever you guys call it, because I see people beat themselves a lot because of the fact that they feel, oh, their hair is not as long as this person's hair, oh, their scalp is not free from dandruff as this other person. Meanwhile, the reverse might be the case. Anyway, I don't usually have dandruff as much as when I was much younger, but now this is what we're dealing with, and I just have to face reality. I'm looking for a solution now. It's not the time to beat myself up because it can happen to anybody. We're all human, and some things are just not so predictable. At least nobody would wish to have dry, flaky scalp. So, way forward, mainly anti-dandruff hair products, anti-dandruff, anti-flaky, whatever products. And I have been constantly looking for scalp scrub. So I would, possibly put a picture for you guys to see what that scalp scrub looks like. I've been looking for it even before I knew that I had this on my scalp. Reason being that I feel like my fingernails don't do justice to scrubbing my scalp as it ought to. So at least with that scalp scrub, I can, go to the root and scratch off whatever is there. And I need to prioritize washing my hair regularly. I do wash my hair regularly after every protective style, but I think now I will likely make it like a weekly thing, just so this can go off as soon as possible. Then I have one anti-dandruff hair cream that I've not been using for a while. I think it's time to resume it. So let's just say prior to this time, I know that my scalp is prone to dandruff, but I was able to manage it over the years, especially with the fact that I started doing more research about hair growth and hair care. And I was winging it. I was finding my way around it. But now I'm going to take you guys through the journey, and if it's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section. And you can also share what you used that helped you, so that we all can learn. Nobody's an island at the end of the day. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm your favorite hair coach, and I'll see you in my next. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hopefully this video would reach the right audience. Peace.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo ma ko macho.